Welcome to Daily English Talks.
Do you feel stuck when someone asks, "Tell me about your daily routine in English"?
And then your mind goes blank, and you don't know what to say.
Don't worry. Today, we will fix this problem together in a very easy and fun way. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy to see you again.
I'm Harshi, and I love helping you speak English with confidence.
And I'm Shub, your comm partner, who sometimes makes silly mistakes too.
Yes, sometimes.
Okay, many times.
If you enjoy learning English in a simple and fun way, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below.
Yes, and today's topic is super useful for your daily life.
So, Shub, how was your day today?
My day was good, but I woke up very late.
Oh, really? What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 9:30, and then I felt very lazy.
That sounds like a Sunday routine.
Exactly. And what about you?
I woke up early today, around 6 a.m., and I felt very fresh.
Wow, early morning energy.
Yes, but after lunch, I felt sleepy.
That happens to everyone.
By the way, talking about our day, today's topic is daily routine.
Yes, today we will learn how to talk about our daily routine in English.
And don't worry, we will use very simple and natural sentences. Let's start with morning. Shub, what do you say first?
You can say, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Very good. Simple and clear.
Then you can say, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Yes. Now viewers repeat with us. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Next, you can say, I take a bath.
Or you can say, I take a shower.
Both are correct.
Then, I get ready for my day.
And don't forget breakfast.
Yes, I have my breakfast at 8 a.m.
Now your turn. Say this with me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Now next, I brush my teeth.
Very nice. Keep going. Shub, now let's talk about the day.
Okay, I go to work at 10 a.m.
Good.
I work on my laptop and attend meetings.
Very good. Nice sentence.
In the afternoon, I have lunch and take a short break.
Very natural.
Harshi, your turn now.
I start my work at 9 a.m. I study English and create videos.
That's perfect.
In the afternoon, I eat lunch with my family and relax.
At evening,
Evening time, my favorite time.
okay, you go first.
In the evening, I go for a walk and listen to music.
Nice.
Then I talk to my friends or watch something online.
Very relatable.
Now you.
In the evening, I exercise or read a book.
Wow, very productive.
At night, I have dinner with my family.
Same here.
After dinner, I watch videos or scroll on my phone.
That's everyone.
Then I go to bed around 11 p.m.
I sleep a little earlier, around 10:30 p.m. Now viewers speak with us.
Say, at night, I...
Viewers complete the sentence in your own way.
Let me share something.
Yes, Shub, tell us.
Before, I could not speak about my daily routine in English.
Really?
Yes, one day someone asked me, what do you do every day?
And what happened?
I got nervous, and I said only, I wake up, I eat, I sleep.
That's cute, but not enough.
Exactly. Then I started practicing full sentences daily.
And now you speak so well.
Because I practiced simple sentences again and again.
Now, let's give you a simple formula.
Yes, very easy formula.
Time plus action plus extra detail.
Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. and feel fresh.
Another example, I go to work at 10 a.m. and complete my tasks.
One more, I have dinner at 8 p.m. with my family.
See? Simple and natural. Now, dear viewers, practice with us. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. and start my day with a glass of water. Now, Harshi, what do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and prepare breakfast. What do you do in the afternoon?
I work on my tasks and take a short break after lunch. What do you do in the evening?
I go for a walk and spend time with my family. What do you do at night?
I have dinner, relax, and go to bed early.
Now, viewers, your turn.
Write your daily routine in the comments.
Try to write at least 5 sentences.
And don't worry about mistakes.
So today, viewers, you learned how to talk about your daily routine in English.
We covered morning, day, evening, and night routines.
We also learned a simple formula to make sentences.
Remember, practice every day.
Small steps every day will give you big results.
You can speak English. Just believe in yourself.
If you liked this video,
Like, share, and subscribe.
and comment your daily routine below.
See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.